if you had a collection account, a charge-off account, or some sort of negative account removed from your credit report, there's a very good chance that it will get put back on your credit report at some point. Here's why, and here's what you need to do. So if a credit bureau removes a negative account, but you still owed a balance, they most likely did what's called a temporary removal or a suppression of the account while they are waiting for the creditor to respond to your dispute. Creditors get backed up. They can take months to respond. And then when they do respond, when they do verify that item, it gets re-reported onto your credit report. Or the creditor may re-report the item to the credit reporting agency the following month as part of their normal credit reporting updates. So if you have a balance owed on a deleted account, then that's not a permanent deletion. So how do you get a permanent deletion? Well, you can request a pay for delete to see if the furnisher allows that, but not all of them do. Or you can catch them committing a reporting violation and then use that reporting violation as leverage to demand the balance be zeroed out so you no longer owe it, and permanent deletion of that negative account from your credit report. So before you start your credit repair process, or even if you're in the middle of your credit repair process, my recommendation is to have a consumer law attorney take a look at your credit report. So if you see the link in my bio, it'll take you to the consumer law firm that I use called McCarthy Law. They'll look at your credit report for free. And if you have reporting violations, which a majority of you probably do, then they will help you enforce your legal rights. This is all for free. They get paid by the credit bureau. So what this could mean for you is deletion of the account and possible compensation for you.